Everybody, here I'm going to introduce you BYOL, www.byol.it. It's a 100% natural anti-sputter for the welding industry. Anti-sputter, it's a oil which people spray into the torch and or on the steel parts to avoid that the small sparkles, they're getting stuck to it. We invented a product which is 100% natural, which is possible even to drink if you want it, but the matter of fact is that doesn't bring any harm to the health of the welders, which normally are using anti-sputter, which is coming from chemical industry, and it causes the majority of the time cancer. So here we have a product which is 100% natural, patented in Italy, produced 100% in Italy, which decrease the total cost of ownership, because it will increase the time that the welder is welding, because it will decrease a lot the stops for the cleaning. It will decrease the cost of the spare parts, because the small sparkles are not getting stuck into the welding torch and or on the steel plate. And all this one will decrease the total cost of ownership. On the top of that, and that's my personal point of view, my unique selling proposition, it's 100% natural and doesn't cause any harm to the welders. Thank you very much. If you have an inquiry, www.byol.it, byol.it. Bye bye.